Hi, I'm Miss Smaga. I'm an Algebra 2 teacher, and I'm here to go through the SAT question number 15 with you. So if we look, we have C equals 5/9 times F minus 32. The equation shows how a temperature F measured in degrees Fahrenheit relates to a temperature C measured in degrees Celsius. Based on the equation, which of the following must be true? So right away, we want to think, okay, what type of function am I dealing with? Well, what does this look like? If we distribute that 5/9, it's going to give us a linear function in slope-intercept form. And now it's asking which of the following must be true. So let's read through number one. A temperature increase of 1 degree Fahrenheit is equivalent to a temperature increase of 5/9 degrees Celsius. So let's take a look. Let's graph it. That C is going to be, or Celsius is going to be on our y-axis, that Fahrenheit on our x-axis. And if we have a y-intercept at negative 160/9, a change. So we say that a change of 1 degree in Fahrenheit. So if F is 1, my Celsius will be increasing. So if we replace this by 1, by 5/9, because that's my slope. So 1 would be true. Okay, now let's take a look. For number 2, it says a temperature increase of 1 degree Celsius is equivalent to a temperature increase of 1.8 degrees Fahrenheit. So let's go ahead and get our equation in terms of F. So if we go ahead and add over our 160/9, we have C plus 160/9 equals 5/9 times F. All right, let's get rid of those denominators just to make it easy. So we'll multiply everything by 9. We have 9 times C plus 160 equals 5 times F. Now let's go ahead and divide everything by 5 to get our Fahrenheit by itself. So we have F equals 9/5 Celsius plus 160/5. Well, do we know off the top of our heads what 9/5 is? Let's type it in our calculators. Oh, 9/5 is 1.8. So if I have 1 degree of Celsius, so C is 1, that means my Fahrenheit is changing by 1.8 degrees. Now let's take a look. A temperature increase of 5/9 degrees Fahrenheit is equal to a temperature of 1 degree Celsius. It's not equal because if we take a look, if we put 1 in here, it would still, that would give us an increase of 9/5 or 1.8. So it would not technically work there. So the only ones that are going to work are 1 and 2.